The process to go from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds is fairly simple if you think about those degrees as a progress bar. So we had 19 degrees and we were on our way to reaching 20 degrees. Let's say there's a progress bar in between those two values, and we were progressing until there was an issue and the progress stopped. How close were we to reaching 20 degrees? So the progress was only able to reach as high as 51%. So we want to see out of that degree, but now we're going to think of it in terms of minutes. So we were only able to cover 51% of a degree, but in minutes would be 51% out of 60 minutes. So we're going to write down the 19 degrees. And out of those 60 minutes, we only were able to cover 51%. So let's find out how much is 51% out of 60. So that would be 60 times 0.51, and we're going to get 30.6 minutes. Now, we're going to repeat the process, and now, instead of thinking in terms of degrees, we're going to think in terms of minutes. So we were on our way from 30 minutes to reach 31 minutes. The progress bar was increasing, and suddenly it stopped at 60% because we had 30 full minutes and we had a 0.6. So there was not enough to reach 31. So this minute that we were progressing on is simply 1 minute, but that could be also expressed as 60 seconds. So now we need to see what would 60 seconds would be, but only if we were able to cover 60% out of those 60 seconds. So we're gonna take the full 19 degrees. We're gonna write the 30 minutes, the 30 complete minutes that we were able to get. And then we're gonna see how much we get out of that 60%. So we had 0.6 out of those 60 seconds. 19 degrees, 30 minutes, and 36 seconds. So if we wanna just make up a quick algorithm, you would take 19 and then 60 minutes times 0.51. We're gonna get 19 degrees. We're gonna end up with 30.6 minutes. Then we're gonna take the 19 degrees. We're gonna take the 30 minutes. And then once again, 60, but now seconds times 0.6, ending up as 19 degrees, 30 minutes, and 36 seconds.